Hi, my name is Bob Snyder and I'm here in Valley Forge, Pennsylvania with the Snyder Law Group. And today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about being a good witness. We're trial lawyers and handling personal injury cases, and at one time or another in your case there's a good chance that you will have to be a witness. The first thing about being a good witness is quite simple. You have to listen carefully to the question that is asked. Well, as obvious as that sounds, there is an art to listening. We want to start thinking about our answer before the person who's asking the question is done, and you cannot do that because it'll be fatal to your case in a courtroom setting. You listen carefully, focusing on the questioner until he has finished his question and his lips have stopped moving. Next, you have to make sure you understand the question. If he's asked the question that contains strange words you've never seen or heard before, it sounds like you better not try to answer that question. At that point, there's only one correct answer. I'm sorry, I don't understand the question. Could you possibly ask it in another way? A lot of people make the mistake of just saying, could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Well, he could repeat it 1,000 times, and if you didn't understand it the first time, you won't understand it any of the others. Now, the next pointer in this particular group of tips is simply to be honest and straightforward. After you've listened to the question and you understood the question, if the question is asked by anybody other than your lawyer, keep it short and sweet. Answer with a yes or a no only. If it can't be answered with a yes or a no, answer with only as few words as possible, just the question that's been asked. Don't become a volunteer. Now, last tip in this film, do not, under any circumstances, let the other lawyer get you to say, I guess, as an answer. If you do that, you're going to destroy your credibility and your case. They will argue successfully that this person doesn't know what he or she is talking about. This person is a guesser. If they're guessing about one thing, they could be guessing about everything. I hope this has been of some help or benefit to you, this tape, and we're going to do a series of educational videos on this subject of being a good witness. But for now, if you have any additional questions, give us a call at 610-265-8050 or look for us on the web at snyderinjurylaw.com. Thank you.